everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you the easiest and the most delicious recipe about fruit tart with a crunchy dough and a creamy custard cream. Let's get started. For your tart base, you will need shortbread dough. This recipe is 100% good. You will need 450 grams of butter at room temperature, 800 grams of flour, 100 grams of cornstarch or maizena, 250 grams of confectioner sugar, vanilla, 10 grams of baking powder, 2 eggs at room temperature. And of course, if you want lemon zest, you can use it. First, you have to sift all your powder. I mixed all my powder and I sifted them. After that, I will add my butter at room temperature. Mix your powder and your butter until your butter is well incorporated inside your dry ingredients. Add your eggs one by one. And after that, you are done. You will get a nice and beautiful shortbread dough. Do not work your dough too much. Whenever you notice that all your ingredients are well incorporated and you can make dough with them, you have to stop your mixer. My dough is just right. I will use half of it and save other half for next time. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the bottom of your pan and in your work surface. Open up your dough really thin. Put your dough in your pan and make sure that your dough is covering every dot and spot in your pan. Make sure that your dough is well covering your edge pan. After that, poke your tart with a fork and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes at 300 Fahrenheit. Whenever you notice that your tart edges become golden brown, now it's time to take out your tart from your oven and let it cool down at room temperature. For my custard cream or pastry cream or my crème pâtissière, I will need 150 grams of sugar, 100 grams of maizena or cornstarch, vanilla, and 1 egg. For my milk, I will need half liter of milk. I will boil my milk first and I will mix my powder very well. Add a little bit of milk to your mixture to get a nice and creamy texture. And milk helps those crumbles to open up and you will get a nice and creamy texture to your custard cream. Now it's time to temper our custard cream. Pour your boiled milk on the top of this mixture and pour it again in your pan. Boil it without stop mixing it. Whenever your cream starts to boil, take it out from the heat and pour it in your bowl again. This way we will stop cooking process. When your custard cream is hot, pour it on the top of your tart. Adjust it well, and after that it's time to decorate our tart. Decorate your tart the way that you want, with the fruit that you want, and always brush your fruits with a piping gel to keep them fresh for a long time. I decorated my tart with my fruit in a circle way. Put the peaches one on the top of the other until you get a beautiful spiral shape. Whenever you finish decorating your tart with your fruits, brush your fruits again with a piping gel because piping gel gives brightness to your fruits and protect them from rotting. Now I have finished my decoration. I will put my tart in my fridge for about 2 hours. Serve your tart cold with a nice cup of tea or juice. Enjoy it with your family and your friends. My tart was very tasty. My dough was crunchy. My cream is just right. My fruits were very tasty and fresh. This recipe is worth to try. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!